Every time you visit the supermarket, you definitely notice all the different materials used for food packaging. That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. When we want to see if a material is good for food packaging, there are many factors to consider, such as corrosion resistance, toxicity, strength, cost, and sustainability. And on top of that, how can we choose the right material? We'll focus on three common types of materials today: metal, plastic, and paper. One of the materials that is common in food packaging is plastic. There are three types of plastics that will be discussed today, including PET, PP, and PVC. Generally, PET is adaptable to packaging of foods and beverage. PP is used in takeaway food packaging, while PVC is used for cling wraps. Comparing the characteristics, we know that these plastics have good performance in moisture resistance. Besides, they are good in corrosion resistance as they don't react with most chemicals. However, most of them are bad in oxidation resistance and require additives to improve oxygen barrier properties. For the heat resistance, PP has high heat resistance and is widely used for microwavable packaging, while PET and PVC are only suitable for room temperature packaging. One of the advantages of choosing plastic as food packaging is that plastics are lightweight. Besides, plastic generally has a lower manufacturing cost than paper and metal, especially for mass production, as it can be easily molded and processed. However, there are disadvantages brought by plastics. For instance, although plastics are recyclable, the recycling rates remain low and it contributes to plastic waste when not properly managed. Furthermore, plastics can break down into microplastics due to environmental exposure. The second material is metals. There are two types of metals used for food packaging, which are tinplate and aluminium. Tinplate is one of the first material used and is coated with steel. One of the advantages of tinplate is good performance of moisture resistance, as additional coatings can make the package suitable for both wet and dry food products. Next, it performs good oxidation resistance, as it can avoid food from being exposed to oxygen. Next, it achieves high sustainability, as it is recyclable to be used again. Lastly, tinplate is non-toxic material, as it does not react with most of the food. It is safe to use as food packaging. However, tinplate has moderate corrosion resistance, as it can expose to acidic and salty food without the coating. The next type of metal used is aluminium, which offers excellent moisture resistance, as it has natural oxide layer to protect the food from humidity. Next, it has good oxidation resistance, as the oxide layer avoids the food from oxidation and degradation, especially food that is sensitive to air exposure. Besides, it is highly sustainable as it is recyclable, which can contribute to save 95% of energy to produce new aluminum material again. However, there are disadvantages for aluminum as a food packaging, as it corrodes if the food is highly acidic and salty without any additional coatings. Therefore, it will react with the food and cause it to spoil. If you compare it to other metals, it is soft and easy to dent. Another material used in packaging is paper. Two common types of paper packaging are craft paper and wax paper. Craft paper is typically seen in heavy applications such as beer cases due to its higher tensile strength. It is also generally non-toxic, making it suitable as packaging and cooking medium. However, it is not waterproof unless treated, making it a bad choice for wet foods. Craft paper also has low oxidation and corrosion resistance unless laminated. Wax paper is paper that has been made greaseproof through application of wax. This wax coating also makes it highly moisture resistant, thus making it suitable for greasy and wet food packaging, such as burger wrappers. It can also be sustainable when made with natural resources, such as beeswax or soy wax. In the same way, wax paper is non-biodegradable if paraffin wax is used, as it is a petroleum product. So to answer the question at the beginning, we need to look at different properties of different types of food, such as water content, temperature, acidity, and whether a seal is required for long-term storage. Now, let's look into the future. People are trying to make more sustainable plastics like PHA and PLA. Scientists are also trying methods such as adding antioxidants to the packaging or using biopolymers to enhance quality and shelf life. There are even smart materials, such as the labels shown here, to detect the freshness, and nanomaterials, such as silver nanoparticles, to better protect the food. The future of food packaging materials is both exciting and full of promise, with new innovations emerging daily to safeguard the essential resources that sustain our lives. Thanks for watching.